Today is Sunday, being the Lord's Day, December 14, 2025. On December 13, 1973, Claude Vorilhon went to a volcano overlooking Clermont-Ferrand in southern France to get a breath of fresh air to relax from a full year following the races from circuit to circuit. He is a car racing driver by vocation. The place is a dormant volcano. He was about to leave after enjoying the panoramic and beautiful place when suddenly in the fog he saw a red light flashing, then a sort of like a helicopter or a balloon descending towards him. And behold, it was a flying saucer. It landed a few meters away from him, and beneath the machine, a trap door opened and a little man about 1.2 meter alighted. At 9 o'clock tonight on my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, I'm going to discuss this phenomenal event in details. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, comment, like, and share, and thank you for watching.